Hello everybody, this is Golson 2004 back here. Today we got a package from eBay. So let's open this up. This kind of, it's like bubble wrap on here. No wait. Sorry if this is taking a while. Alright, I'll get this. Let's see what it is. And we got... it's a take along, but let's get this out of its bag. So excited. Okay, it's in this. Let's just cut this open, and we got, oh yes, it's Toad the Brake Van. I was really excited to order this. Toad's looking great. He's got some like wear up here, but I'm gonna fix that. I mean, man, that Toad face looks really great, and just like it did with my 2003 Tar Tankers, I'm going to cover that inaccurate red line with a black line. Let's see. I think he's dated 2006, so that was around the time of Season 10. And this is actually really great, because the Great Western Duo is finally complete. The Little Western is now done.